One of the biggest challenges whenever starting to use Houdini to create visual effects is scripting. Most of us working or wanting to work in the VFX industry have an artist's background and usually feel intimidated by this subject. Fortunately, scripting in Houdini is not as complicated as it seems, and it will open a whole new world of possibilities once learned. By watching this tutorial, you will be able to pick up VEX from the ground up, with simple yet practical exercises along the way. In the first chapter, we will learn the basic concepts of scripting and will start manipulating point colors, point positions, and we will even start generating points in space through point wranglers and VOPs. In chapter 2, we will learn about the all-important noise and random functions, as well as the trigonometric functions. We will start manipulating and deforming geometry, and we will create a procedural cityscape from scratch. The tutorial is structured in such a way that you will be able to start writing your own VEX expressions and snippets of code in a very short amount of time, as you learn some of the most useful VEX functions. After viewing this tutorial, you can expect to be able to confidently use VEX to start creating your own geometry, as well as to modify existing 3D models by scripting your own sub-level tools and geometric deformers. My name is David Adan. I am an FX TD in Cinesite Montreal, and I will be your guide through this fascinating journey called VEX. We have a lot of new things to learn, so let's get started.